We've had this dog bed for a little over 2 years now, and as you can tell, it looks brand new and we have not had any issues with the quality. Our trainer recommended it after our dog completed his training. He sleeps on it, but he eats on it as well. We place his food bowl on top, and he knows to go to his kennel, is what we call it, every time to eat his dinner. It was super easy to assemble. There are no screws required to set it up. The pipes are made of steel, so the legs are very sturdy. We can move this around the house very easily. He does use it indoor and outdoor. The sizes of the bed come in small all the way to extra large, and it holds up to 150 pounds.